How do you rate yourself when it comes to paying attention to your business's financials? If you don't give yourself a 10, hang in there with me for the next couple of minutes, watch this video, and I'm hoping that you come away and take some action in this area. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name's Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos and I coach restoration folks and general contracting businesses all over the country because I'm passionate about helping them to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in the business, and to build something of significant value that they can sell when it's time to move on. Okay, let's get into it. Super simple acronym. You've probably heard it before. SMART. SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. You don't have to remember that. Not right now, at least. But what I want you to think about is that this is a very simple framework for setting specific goals related to your business's finances. So here are some questions for you. Are you looking at monthly P&Ls and looking at things and measuring yourself against what the goal is for net profit, for gross profit overall, for gross profit by division or job type? How about gross profit on jobs, specific individual jobs, mitigation and rebuild? How about, are you measuring DSO? That stands for days of sales outstanding, which is a simple measurement of how many days on average it's taking you to collect money. If you're not measuring these basic financial metrics, I want to urge you to start now. If you don't know how, it's okay. I didn't know how. When I first started, I knew nothing about QuickBooks. I knew nothing about financials, and I figured it out with the help of some mentors and a lot of work on my own. And I've got now a pretty simple way of helping companies implement a process where you can measure these things, and a simple way to set goals, and a simple way to look at them each month when it comes to the monthly numbers, and after each job closes, if you're going to do job costing, which I highly recommend. And in a previous video, I talk about the why, right? The why is so important, especially when you're asking somebody to do something that's out of their comfort zone or it's going to take time. You got to know the why, right? Well, one of the whys is, I don't know anybody, I've never worked with anybody who's implemented this and didn't get more profitable. The more you pay attention to something, the more it changes, right? And if you're paying attention to your profitability, it's going to get better. Same thing with, if you're paying attention to your collections and measuring your DSO, it's going to get better. You almost can't help but get more profitable and increase your time, your speed of collecting money. So those are a couple of fairly immediate benefits. Another why is you increase the value of your business. So someday when you decide to sell, it's going to be worth more because you're tracking these numbers. I know it sounds too simple, too easy, maybe too good to be true, but I'm telling you, potential buyers want to know that you understand your financials and that you're able to explain things related to your financials, related to job costing. So your business will be more valuable if you do these things. If you need any help, you have any questions, book a call with me. I'll tell you about how I can help through either my Restoration Profit Academy program or through a one-on-one coaching program. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to talking with you. I'll see you in the next video.